Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. After you have successfully install Xianyu app on your Android device, the next thing you want to do is to see how to register successful into your Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we proceed to the tutorial, if you have not downloaded the app, you can check the tutorial video on my channel, see how you can download and install successful. After a successful download and install, you are going to make sure you see Xianyu app icon on your Android phone, just like what you see right here. After that, we can come back right here and see how to register an account successful in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Boom, and it's going to take you right here. So all you have to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on here to proceed. And then it's going to take you to this interface right here of Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Go ahead and hit on allow. And then it's going to take you to this interface right here, asking you to log in with different options right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So from these options right here, there are so many multiple ways to log in and create an account successful in Xianyu. I'm going to give you the best one so far in this tutorial. So in this regard, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Once you click on agree to the terms of using Xianyu, go ahead and click on your Alipay icon right here. Wait for Alipay to load. So go ahead and click on agree right here. Authorization successful.